condensed milk with the squash and be surprised by the result. Start by peeling one ripe butternut squash. Next, cut it into round slices, then into strips, and finally into cubes. Now, transfer these cubes to a large saucepan. Add enough water to cover them. Turn the heat to medium and let them cook for 15 minutes. After this indicated time, the squash cubes have cooked through. Drain all the water. Add 200 grams of condensed milk, ½ teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and using a hand blender, beat until the squash has fully dissolved. This is the right consistency. Now, add 350 milliliters of milk, 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, and mix until the cornstarch has fully dissolved. When that happens, turn the heat to medium-low and keep stirring until thickened. Leave us a comment with the name of the city from which you're watching this. I'd like to give you a shout out and thank you for sharing this recipe. This is the right point. Transfer this mixture to a nice baking dish. If you've made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe. So, click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything, but for us, it will make all the difference. Top it all with 100 grams of crushed walnuts. Take it to the fridge and let it chill for at least 5 hours. Finish by adding honey to taste. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I really hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head back to the comments section and will continue to answer everyone who left the name of their city. And I'll also thank you for sharing this recipe. See you next recipe. Bye.